Blowpunk is a familiar name in the audio equipment manufacturing industry. It manufactures some of the best sounding and very good quality audio products. In this video, we shall be reviewing one such product, the Blowpunk BH01 Equalizer Wireless Headset. We have been using this for about 2 years now. So stay tuned and watch this review. Let's take a look at the accessories first. In the box you will be getting the wireless headphone itself, micro USB charging cable, this one, 3.5 mm audio cable and this instruction manual. Let's talk about specifications now. It comes with Bluetooth version 5.0 for better connectivity. It has an effective transmission range of 10 meters. It is powered by a 300 milliamp lithium polymer battery, which the company claims can be completely charged in a maximum of 2 hours and can last for 10 hours of playing time. The standby time is up to 100 hours. The frequency range it supports is between 20 Hz to 20 kHz and it weighs about 148 grams. It produces HD sound, high definition sound. It has equalizer mode, that is Blowpunk music mode, and turbo bass mode. It is important to talk about the build and design, so let's now cover those. It is made up of plastic and metal. Some portion is plastic, some portion is metal. The upper handle is also covered by a beautiful artificial leather which has a Blowpunk branding over it. The ear cups are covered with fabric and are encircled with artificial leather from outside, giving it a premium look. And as it is only about 148 grams, it doesn't feel heavy at all. It is sturdy too. You can also fold this headphone like this, and this can be useful. And this feature is cool as you can easily fold these and carry them with you. It has got plenty of buttons. On the right side there is an equalizer button. Down here is the slot for the 3.5 mm cable. The mic is here and the LED notification is this one. While charging it turns, if it is on low battery then it is red, and when it is complete it turns green. And while the Bluetooth is on, it is in blue light, so the LED notifications is in 3 lights. And these are the volume up and down buttons, and this is the main button, key button, which can be used to play the audio and pause it, and it also functions as an on-off button for the device itself. It can act for call answering and rejection also. Nothing there under the left cup except the charging port, which is micro USB. Now let me give you my honest opinions. First, let me ask you how many times we have seen no difference between what a company claims and what it actually delivers. In fact, delivering more than what it claims. Well, the answer is yes, but not so often. I am pleasantly surprised that this headphone is bang on target on what the company claims. It never took me even 2 hours to charge the device from 0% to 100%. These sound really good. The lows, the mids and the highs all are perfectly blended. You won't be disappointed with the sound output at all. I also didn't face any loss of connection while listening to the music or during the calls while I was within the network range of 10 meters. The only caveat as far as I am concerned is that I see that I start to feel little uncomfortable after continuously wearing it for 90 minutes. And maybe my larger ears are to be blamed for that. Despite this, I recommend buying this if you are getting it for somewhere between 1000 to 1500 Indian rupees, or if we speak in terms of dollars, between $15 to $20. You won't be disappointed with these at all. Please like this video if you found it useful, share it with your family and friends, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you can be notified whenever we upload a new video. See you in the next one.